Welcome to this video on the fundamentals of computers. In this overview, we will explore what a computer is, its core functions, key components, and its various applications in our world today. At its simplest, a computer is an electronic, programmable device designed to accept input, process that data, store information, and produce an output. It relies on key components like processors, memory, storage, and I/O devices to function. The basic functions of a computer follow a clear sequence. First, it receives input data. Second, the CPU processes that data. Third, the information is stored. And finally, the computer outputs the processed information. Computers are made up of two essential parts, hardware and software. Hardware includes the physical components, like the CPU, keyboard, monitor, and storage drives, while software consists of the programs and operating systems, such as Windows or Linux, that tell the hardware what to do. Several characteristics define modern computing. These include high-speed processing, precise accuracy, massive storage capacity, automation of tasks, reliability in operation, and the versatility to perform a wide variety of different jobs. Computers are integral to almost every industry today. They drive advancements in banking, healthcare, business, and education, and are foundational to emerging fields like cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. While computers offer incredible advantages such as speed, accuracy, and fast storage, they also have limitations. They require specific instructions to function and are entirely dependent on a consistent power supply. Thank you for watching this introductory video on computer basics. We hope this has provided a clear understanding of how these powerful machines work and impact our daily lives.